Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to add music in Filmora. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and download the Filmora program. So after that, you have to of course go and open the program and you'll have a screen like this. Here, as you can see, we have a lot of options here. So basically, we have a lot of options. As I said, we have the media, audio, titles, transition, sorry, we have effects, elements, and the split screen. So now let's see guys how you can actually go and add music in Filmora. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps that I'll be showing you to know how to do it in no time. So basically guys, what you need to do is go to, here we have the media files. You need to go to the top left corner and click on the audio. And here guys, you can see you can go and put in some audio that are here. But if you add your music and your audio, you can go and click when you're on media. You can go and click on file, click import media, then import media files, and you can go and then find the files that you want to import. You can also go and click control, as you can see, plus the letter I, and then it will just pop out for you and you can then do it like that. So guys, that is everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on. And guys, as this all helps us a lot in growing our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be highly appreciated if you can do this. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found it informative. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.